better be ready because we're
Hey,
rolling.
meal preppers, how you doing today? Paul coming at you. Amy behind the camera.
Yep.
And what about that game? Super Bowl. Woo!
Go sports.
Team. Go sports. Go Usher featuring Taylor Swift. And there happened to be a football game going on. We're coming over here, team. We got 3 beautiful dishes. No real agenda. We loved everything that we picked out. So we were kind of excited. Amy had a little say in a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I did.
And a lot of it. I think I just had one say. And that was this Bang salmon over here, team. So we have some wild salmon that we cooked up. We actually cut it into those bite-sized pieces. We cooked it up and then mixed it in a sauce of pretty much all coconut aminos. A little bit of sriracha. And then I've got some cucumber that's been tossed in some sesame oil and red pepper flakes. We steamed some broccoli. Underneath, we do have, we did the cali bits. We were going to do rice, but we decided to do cali bits on this. We've got a rice on another dish.
Cauliflower rice.
Yeah, this one, we I actually chopped it up because when I put it through the food processor, it becomes like mush.
Well, not mush. It's just really fine. And may I for a moment? So cauliflower rice. If you make it yourself in the food processor, it's tiny, tiny pieces. Real fine. Doesn't take as long to cook. I prefer a little more substance, and H-E-B has frozen, and then they used to have bags of what they called cauli bits in the produce section. I prefer the cauli bits over the frozen because the frozen have a lot of moisture in them, but they're not carrying the cauli bits anymore. So we just opted to buy a cauliflower and do a coarse chop on it.
Chopped it. So you got hand chopped cauli bits, babe. And then we got some Bang sauce in here. This is basically all just Greek yogurt, chili sauce, the sweet chili
sauce
and sriracha. That's all it is.
Yep.
That's all it is. So it is a little spice, but it'll be great against the sweet on this salmon. Over here, simple pimple, guys. We just got turkey patties with zucchini and egg whites and some spices. Anything else major in that?
No.
And we cooked it up in coconut oil. It gives a great flavor to it. And then we paired it with some, we were just looking in the store, see what was good. We got the beets. They looked great, always with the greens. So if there's greens on there, you can cook them up, team. And then we just steamed some green beans that we had left over for another dish we have. So actually came out pretty well-rounded dish there. Beets are looking beautiful.
Tips on putting zucchini in meat patties, grate it, and then wring as much liquid out of it as you can. I put this and some grated onion into the zucchini with the spices, and then I added a little egg whites, and the mixture still ended up very moist.
Yes.
It's everyone's favorite word. It was very moist.
Super moist.
And I was afraid the patties were going to fall apart. So I just made them smaller. I made 8 or 9 little ones instead of a big one. And that way there's less chance they're going to fall apart in the pan. So next.
Then over here we got a pretty lean dish over here. Just some jasmine rice. But what's going to be paired with that is a veggie and chicken tikka masala. We're already getting the masala cooked here with the chicken. So that is, I don't know, probably an hour and a half.
It's going to take about 3 total. So it's been in for 45 minutes.
And then in the last...
No, an hour and 15 minutes, I lie.
In the last 15 minutes?
Oh, no. The last hour and a half, we'll add the veggies.
Add the veggies. So underneath is green beans. Then we got broccoli and baby carrots.
So they don't get mushy.
Add some coconut milk in there to get that flavor in there. Some arrowroot to kind of thicken it up. And then we'll just garnish with some cilantro.
Yep.
Woohoo! Yep. And then awesome, Amy's fave, guys, digital timer, team. You can time up to 4 dishes on this. Comes with a little pen that sticks on top that you can write on this whiteboard. And geeky, but it works.
Best thing ever.
But it works. I have been guilty of using it. There it is, team. Another colorful weekend. Last weekend was pretty colorful. Super excited. Like I said, when there's colors, I feel like I'm doing something right.
Eat the rainbow.
Eat the rainbow. So it's coming out, guys. Let us know what you think of all of them and have a tremendous weekend, y'all. All right. Bye-bye.